Hello Crypto Gang, and Stream Trades here. Hope you are ready for this new amazing video. In this video I want to share with you useful information about Near protocol, Near wallet and staking. Ease of use is an important principle of Near. After all, what's the point of having a scalable blockchain when people are struggling to use it? Near accounts play an important role in the convenience of both developers and users. Now we will talk about accounts on Near. Accounts work differently on Near than on most other blockchains. First, instead of a public key hash, Near uses readable account identifiers, similar to the domain name system. For example, John.Near or ElonMusk.Near. Think of your account as a username that you can easily remember and type without copying and pasting. The username can contain from 2 to 64 alphanumeric characters separated by a dot-like name and Near in our example. Each account can create as many sub-accounts as he wants. For example, John.Near can create strawberry.john.near but cannot create super strawberry.john.near. Only the parent account can create a sub-account. In addition to explicit accounts like John.Near, the Near ecosystem also supports the creation of implicit accounts using Near CLI. They look like Bitcoin or Ethereum addresses. Near also has developer accounts. They are designed for testing and debugging smart contracts. To create an account, you can use Near Wallet, Near Faucet that is a faucet for Ethereum and MetaMask users, or Near CLI, which is a command line interface that provides functionality for interacting with Near. The easiest way to create an account is to use Near Wallet, which we'll cover today. And so, let's start creating an account. We go to the main page of Near Wallet. For a better understanding, in the upper right corner of the page, you can select your language. Click Create an Account and proceed to the choice of username. Enter any name from 2 to 64 characters and then click Create an Account again. Near gives us a choice in how to protect the account. We have a traditional way to protect a blockchain wallet with the seed phrase, or we can use a ledger hardware wallet, or the usual way for users unfamiliar with the blockchain is email or phone. Please note that if hackers get access to your mail or phone, they will be able to access your Near account as well. Use these protection methods only if you do not have a large amount in your wallet. I select now the mnemonic phrase and click Continue. Do not forget to write down and save your seed phrase in a safe place. This is the only way to get access to your account. On the next page, you will be asked to enter one of the words in the seed phrase. Enter the correct word. And then we have an account activation. At this point, we need to send at least one Near to a disposable address. These funds are not written off anywhere. They will remain on the balance of the wallet and you will be able to fully dispose of them. Part of the funds will be reserved to pay for storage and network commissions when making transactions. Do not close the activation page. After the funds have arrived in the disposable address, return to this page and confirm the creation of the account. You can fund your balance from a bank card via MoonPay by clicking on Fund with MoonPay, or you can use a crypto exchange like Binance. You can use our affiliate link on Binance from the description below. Just send your Near coins from the exchange to the provided address. Once the account is activated, the one-time address will no longer be valid. All funds sent to this address will be lost. And we have. Congratulations, your account has been created. After successful activation, you will be redirected to the main page of your wallet. This is how almost all users and developers create their first Near account. But this is not the only way to create an account. Developers also have the ability to create accounts implicitly using Near CLI. We will return to Near Wallet for an overview of its interface. But first, let's talk about access keys. Unlike most blockchains, a Near account is fundamentally not tied to a public or private key pair. Instead, access keys in Near are flexible. First, you can have as many access keys as you like. And the second, there are two types of access keys, such as full access keys and function call keys. The full access key gives you full control over your account. You can transfer money, stake tokens, deploy a contract, delete a key, etc. The seed phrase you receive when you create an account is your main access key. But even that can be changed. Function call keys, sometimes called a restricted access key, can only call certain contract methods. Each function call key has 3 attributes: allowance, a certain Near amount to cover gas charges; receiver ID, a smart contract where the key is allowed to call methods; and method names, contract methods that the key is allowed to call. Let's say you want to do profitable farming on Near using a dApp. When you connect your Near wallet to the app, it will send your account a function call key that comes with a certain allowance and has its smart contract and receiver ID. Once you agree to give a permission, the application can use the function call key to call contract methods on behalf of your account. This means that you do not need to authorize the dApp again and again and sign small transactions every time. The application will do it for you. An example of work can be viewed in the test network of the Guestbook application. On the Account tab in Near Wallet, you'll see a list of apps that have a feature call key associated with your account. You can easily remove each key by clicking the Deauthorize button in a specific application. And so, now we will go through all the elements of the Near Wallet interface. In the main block, we see our balance and some tokens available on the wallet. There are also 3 buttons here. You may send, receive, and buy tokens. On the bottom right, you can see a block with a list of recent wallet transactions. If you click the All List button, then we will be redirected to the Near Explorer page, where you can see the entire transaction history of any wallet. On the right is a dark block with a button Explore Apps. When you click on the button, we will be redirected to a site with a list of applications from the Near ecosystem. If you click on the username in the upper right, then we can switch between existing Near accounts. If we need to send tokens, we just follow to this tab and we have these fields here. The size field is the number of Near tokens we want to send. Available balance, it is the number of available non-staking Nears. Then, reserved for fees field, it is the minimum number of Near tokens that must be in the balance to cover transaction fees. The Near Wallet interface will not allow you to send reserved tokens in order to avoid unpleasant situations. And in Send to field, here we enter the wallet address to which the sent tokens will come. After entering all the data, click Confirm and send the tokens. Let's proceed to Account tab. In the Security and Recovery block, we can disable and enable the desired wallet authorization methods. You can use all methods at once, but in this case, if someone gets access to at least one method, then he will also get full access to your wallet. In the username block, several items are visible. Wallet balance, which is the total balance of the wallet including available funds and staking funds. Reserved for storage charges is the minimum required amount that must be kept in the balance in order for the account to remain active. It may vary depending on the amount of account space in the blockchain. Near will not allow you to spend these tokens. And staking pools, the number of tokens sent to staking. The available balance is the balance that we can spend. And authorized apps, this block contains a list of authorized applications that have a function called key in our account. Click on All List and go to the full list of applications. The block on the right shows a list of actions that the application can do with our account. To disable the application from accessing our account, you need to click on the Deauthorize button. Let's move on to the most interesting, it is staking Near tokens. Go to the Staking tab in Near Wallet. Let's break down the points now. We have the total staking size. Unclaimed rewards. It means the number of tokens earned from staking. Earned tokens are automatically reinvested and sent back to staking. Then we have withdrawal pending. The number of tokens that have been withdrawn from staking but cannot yet be withdrawn. Usually it takes 52 to 65 hours to withdraw from staking. And we have available for withdrawal, these are unstaken tokens that can be withdrawn. In order to start staking, just click on the Staking Near button. On the validator page, we see similar information as on the main staking page, but here all the information is specific to the selected validator. Click Staking with Validator, then enter the amount you want to stake and confirm. And that's all. You will easily stake your Near tokens. We want stake our tokens now, but just to let you know, in order to withdraw tokens from staking, you will click Remove from Staking, enter the required amount and confirm the transaction. And just wait. Tokens can be withdrawn after 4 epochs, as we have told before, during 52-65 hours. The Near account model and its key flexibility opens up a lot of opportunities for developers. It allows you to create an interface similar to how people connect to web applications today. Users may not even need a Near account. A D-app can create a function called key that points to itself and allows any user to interact with it. Hope this information was useful for you. Please take your time and hit the like button to show us your support. It is free for you and a great motivation for us. Also subscribe to stay updated every time a new video comes out. Thank you for your time.